As so many retail businesses remain shuttered in an effort to stop the spread of COVID-19, online sales have increased, and therefore so have deliveries to people's homes. And the essential workers who do those deliveries are now faced with the challenge of doing their jobs and staying safe. One delivery caught on camera left the customer wondering, is this the new normal? The footage comes from a City News colleague's home security system. She was surprised by the way this UPS delivery person threw the package on her porch and then left without attempting to notify her. The package sat in plain sight for 2 hours and was eventually stolen, as the video shows. UPS declined an interview with City News and had no comment about the incident, but did say in an email that employees are expected to follow company and delivery protocols, which continue to include a knock on the door when a package is dropped off.
Obviously, it's a stressful time for anyone providing an essential service. I understand that wasn't our employee, but that's not what we expect. But it's unfortunate that that's what happened. But our policy is that we'll knock on the door, we'll ring the doorbell, and I've had a number of deliveries, and that's been exactly what they've done.
John Hamilton from Canada Post says he can't speak for another company's employee, but says there are increased challenges associated with making deliveries in this crisis. He tells me changes have been made to Canada Post's policies to allow for physical distancing. Drivers are equipped with gloves and hand sanitizer, and as much as possible, the need for signatures has been eliminated. And while regular mail has decreased, parcels are up. As the biggest parcel delivery service in Canada, Hamilton tells me 2 million were delivered in 2 days, and they're accomplishing that with the same number of staff.
You knock on the door, ring the doorbell, and drop the parcel off, and then leave. And then we just ask people that there's more people home these days that they don't open the door when it's being delivered.
Canada Post has suspended their normal service guarantees because deliveries are taking longer. But Hamilton says most people seem to understand and accept that. And while it's true, Canada Post workers are less likely to spend time on somebody's property looking for a safe hiding place, there are ways to minimize the threat of theft.
People can follow along with their tracking on their mobile device or online to find out where the parcel is and when it'll be out for delivery. That gives them a good sense.
Toronto police have the same advice, and while they can't provide specific numbers about whether or not this type of parcel theft is on the rise, say it would not come as a surprise. And they have some additional tips if you can't be home to receive your package.
Get it delivered to a trusted neighbor. With so many people working from home, if there's someone you do trust close by, of course, keeping that proper physical distancing, you could set it up prior to connect with them and have it delivered to their place so that they can receive the package.
Constable Ramos says this is also an opportunity to keep an eye out for your neighbors and let them know if you see a package on their doorstep. As he says, it's a reminder that we are all in this together. In Toronto, I'm Pam Seatle, City News.